Hello, dear students. You are welcome in RK Institute. I am Dr. RK Saini, and today I am going to discuss Maxwell law of distribution of molecular speed. Law of the distribution of molecular speed. Dear friends, in previous lecture, particularly in kinetic energy, we know that the gaseous molecules are continuously collide to each other as well as they collide with walls of the container, by which their speed continuously changes. But we can speak about measurable properties like as pressure, average kinetic energy, etc. They remains constant at a constant temperature. How it can possible? Yes, it would be possible if fraction of molecules remains constant in a definite range of velocity. In a definite range of velocity. The distribution of molecular speed in possible range of velocity first investigated by Maxwell by the using of the theory of probability, and their result expressed in terms of their equation, and their equation is dn equals to 4 pi n into m upon 2 pi rt with power 3 by 2 exponential with power minus m into square of speed upon 2rt into square of speed into speed range. This equation is known as Maxwell distribution equation. This equation also written in this form: dn upon n into 1 upon speed range. This is known as fraction. This part is known as fraction of molecule in definite range, where mu is speed of the molecule and n total number of molecule, and hence it is the fraction. Therefore, it is equal to the 4 pi into n upon 2 pi rt with power 3 by 2 into exponential with power m into square of speed upon 2rt into square of speed into square of speed. This equation is also written in this form. This equation also written in this form. This part of the equation denoted by y, and this part of this equation is a constant value, and exponential part is also right in this form. Exponential power minus m into square of velocity, where velocity represented by x, divided by 2rt into square of speed. This equation like is equal to m into exponential, m into constant into exponential power square. Therefore, a graph plotted between fraction of molecule and speed of molecule, where speed of molecule denoted by x and the y is this part. This is the fraction dn upon n into 1 upon speed range. When speed and when low speed, the exponential part is very less or negligible, and hence the graph is mainly due to parabolic part due to constant volume into velocity, and at a definite velocity or at higher velocity, the graph is mainly due to exponential value. and hence it is following type. And the graph is following type. This part is due to constant value or is parabolic part. Or this part is due to exponential part. Maximum molecule, the velocity of maximum molecule. The velocity of maximum molecule is known as most probable velocity. Is known as most probable velocity. And it is equals to the, and it is equal to the 2RT by m. 2RT by m. And about other speeds, we also know known VRMS, root mean square velocity, equals to 3RT by m. Or we also know about average velocity of molecule is under root 8RT upon pi m. Consider these equations. And hence, highest speed, RMS is highest speed. Suppose they are the speed x1, x2 and x3. Highest speed is VRMS. And then average. This is the average speed. Suppose it is x2 and it is most probable speed. And it is most probable speed. It is highest speed is RMS, root mean square velocity, and it is the average speed. The point is also notice on the basis of their speed, the fraction, the highest fraction of molecule which possess maximum probability, maximum speed, the most probable speed, then some less fraction of average speed and less fraction of the molecule which possess RMS speed at a constant temperature, at a particular temperature or constant temperature. Now we discuss different type of graph by using different temperature range about a same molecular speed, about a same molecules. This is the distribution of molecule in definite range, and it is the speed or molecule or x. At higher temperature, see the equation and notice when we increase temperature, then decrease fraction of molecules, but increase velocity, all kind of velocity. Again, when we increase temperature, then decrease fraction of the molecular speed, but increase is all kind of speed, because speeds are directly proportional to root of temperature. All kind of speed are directly proportional to the root of temperature, and hence a graph of the gas at different temperature is following type. At higher temperature, decrease the fraction of all kind of speed, but increase all kind of speed. Suppose it is the temperature T1 and it is the temperature of T2. T2 temperature is greater than T1, and notice decrease the fraction of molecules of all kind of speed. Suppose this is the fraction of most probable speed, and it is the fraction of most probable speed. This fraction is higher than second fraction, and hence we can say the fraction of molecular speed is decreased when increase the temperature, but all kind of speeds are increased. At temperature T2, it is most probable speed, and it is the most probable speed. The most probable speed temperature T2 is greater than temperature T1. And for same molecular gas, for example O2, helium, etc., following type of graph, or with help of this graph we also can say the molecular speed is more uniform. Molecular speed is more uniformly at high temperature. When different gases are taken at same temperature, then following type of graph is observed. Distribution of molecules in definite range and the speed. For example, one is O2 gas and another is helium gas. Then again see the equation. The fraction. Again see the equation. The fraction of speed, the fraction of molecule is directly proportional. Fraction of molecular speed is directly proportional to their molecular mass, and the type and the velocity, or is all type of speeds are inversely, and all type of speeds are inversely proportional to the root of molecular mass. Therefore, following type of graph observed of different gases, for example O2 and M2. So higher molecular mass has higher fraction. Higher molecular mass has higher fraction. Low molecular mass has low fraction. But suppose this is for O2 and this graph for helium. Higher molecular mass, high fraction. Low molecular mass, low fraction. Again, high molecular mass 32, molecular mass 32, molecular mass 4. Higher molecular mass, high fraction, most probable speed. Low molecular mass, low fraction, but the speed of gas is higher which has low molecular mass, because all type of speeds like as VRMS, etc., all speeds are inversely proportional to the molecular mass of gas. Thank you. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, आज क्लास अपनी इतनी होगी, बाकी नेक्स्ट अगली क्लास में बात करेंगे. थैंक्स.